Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. Ma'am, is the milk this way?
It's way in the back.
In the back, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Just nothing is funny with this.
What you doing, man?
How you doing, man?
Good, man. What's in the refrigerator?
Oh, I'm just shopping.
Oh, you're
There's
shopping?
nothing yet.
You're shopping with it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Beautiful.
New York strip. Don't mind if I do.
I'm surprised he's made it this long.
Put things in your refrigerator right from the
Yes,
store
sir.
shelf, man.
Exactly. Yeah, you get it.
Yeah, you get it.
Can I squeeze by? Sorry.
Yeah, that looks like my refrigerator.
Yeah, this is my nephew.
That is so cool, man.
Thank you.
How old are you, man?
I'm 27 now. I was
27.
like 15 or 16 there.
Showing him pictures.
So you bring your refrigerator in Walmart with you, or?
Yeah, I just hate unloading my groceries. I just hate that.
Pretty cool, man.
He loves it. He's gonna do this. Yeah. Watch, we're gonna see him doing this next week.
We just started a new trend.
Milk. Cheese.
If he's like putting stuff inside.
Like, I can see it cooler. Well,
Go to the checkout now?
Dude, the checkout's gonna be great.
That's cool.
Now it is, yeah.
Can I help you?
Oh, no, ma'am. I'm just checking out.
Yeah, but you from the refrigerator, it's not even safe. You have a shopping cart, it's not the refrigerator.
Well, I just hate having to bring it from the car to the refrigerator every time. I don't have anything in the freezer.
There you go.
Thank you.